how to get a custom playing status on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get a custom playing status on your Discord. So even though you are not playing any of your games, you can easily show your playing status on Discord. So here's how you do it. So first thing first, just open up your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply head over to this user settings icon over here, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is register games. Now you can basically see that is click on add it button over here, and now what I will be doing is I will simply replacing the names of the application. It will be shown over here. As you can see, I've currently opened these applications over here instead of any games. So since I want to customize it, I will simply tap on any one of these and simply add game just like that. Now I will simply rename this to whatever I'm playing. Let's say I'm playing GTA 5, and just like that hit the enter, and there you go. That is exactly how you can easily get a custom playing status on Discord. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.